Hi friends, let me share with you the prayer of King David found in the book of Psalm 51 verse 12. I can relate very well with it, and I'm sure you also can relate with it. It says, "Restore in me the joy of your salvation and renew a steadfast spirit within me to sustain me." We had it once. You remember the day when you have surrendered your life to Jesus Christ, when you fully trusted in Him. The feeling was heavenly. It was surreal, and there was that deep joy that passes understanding. But through the passing of the years, through the rust of sins, the dirt of rebellion and sin has accumulated. And we barely function and we barely see the sparkle of the joy of that salvation we once had. There's good news though. You can go back to God and He can restore you.